Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the raw power and aggressive performance of the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for its unmatched muscle SUV status, the 2026 model takes everything to a whole new level: more power, sharper design, and advanced tech that leaves the competition in the dust. Bold and aggressive design. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat boasts a refreshed exterior with a wider stance, aggressive front fascia, and redesigned hood scoops for improved airflow. LED lighting adds a modern edge, while the muscular body lines emphasize the SUV's dominance on the road. Its sporty 20-inch alloy wheels complete the menacing look, making it impossible to ignore. Supercharged powertrain. At the heart of this beast lies a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, delivering a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, the Durango Hellcat rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs ever built. Advanced technology. Inside, the cabin is loaded with tech: a large Uconnect infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon audio setup. Advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring ensure safety without sacrificing performance. Performance and handling. With its upgraded suspension system, Brembo brakes, and multiple drive modes including track and sport, the Durango SRT Hellcat handles corners with surprising agility. Whether you're on the drag strip or cruising city streets, this SUV delivers relentless performance with everyday practicality. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat isn't just an SUV. It's a muscle car disguised as a family hauler. With its breathtaking power, cutting-edge technology, and bold styling, it's set to dominate the high-performance SUV market like never before.